What's up, my MK Alamos? Yo soy Macalamo, and welcome to IKEA. On today's vlog, we're gonna be walking through the store, getting what we need, what we don't need. Come watch. What's up, my Macalamos? We're here in the new hat store section of IKEA, checking out some content. Ooh, this one's a big one. Oh shoot!
Why is your elbow so dirty?
My elbow? Oh, I don't know. Don't worry about it.
What's that even out to? Like 4? Spin shit.
Dude, I'm gonna
Here about a year ago. It's a different room setup. But I fell asleep on this bed for about an hour and I was woken up by the employees. No,
Pretty good.
look at this fire.
No. Oh wow, that looks very nice.
What do you think about something like this? Oh, maybe get some glue in there? Oh, I kind of like it. I think we gotta pay for this now.
No, we're good.
Dude, it's good as new. Look, it's still retract. Look at that. Good as new. We write it down. Everyone gets their own car. Miami Heat. Splash. On today's segment of the show, we're playing a game called Will It Break? Stay tuned. Oops. What's up, my Macalamos? We're here in IKEA, coming at you with another fresh vlog. Stay tuned for more content.
Drink some. Drink it.
Don't worry, guys. We clean up after ourselves here. Bro, I have this exact same one. Here you go.
Thanks.
Oh, you didn't use a loofah, bro. You're still dirty.
Your hat.
This person.
Alright, guys. Today's episode. Will it break? Just kidding. Nope. Alright.
Controllers and a PS4.
Bro, they literally cut the wire off. They literally fucking cut the wire off. So these can never be usable.
What are you making?
Excuse me, sir. How bright is that light? Just how bright is it?
It's very bright. It's pretty bright.
Oh my god. Getting this, I'll tell you that. Hey, excuse me, sir, you can't sleep here.
Yeah, this is 37 inches. So this is the height it would be. But I kind of want one that's square.
Kind of looks like your house.
Chapo! Look at that. Are we getting blackout? Alright. You have to guess where the candle is. No cheating. Pay attention. Alright, which cup is it?
I think it's in the big one.
Oh!
Fuck.
Gonna try it on? Oh, there's fucking more. Let's go.
Ooh. Are they fresh?
Those look good, dude. What if I just wear this for the rest of the vlog, dude? What the fuck is this? Is this a hat? It's a mosquito net, dude. That's badass.
Where'd it go?
It's up there. Oh, gone.
Song dong.
Here we go. They're tied down.
Unscrew it.
Just the middle finger?
It's too much after. Fuck. But fuck it. Two in the bank, one in the steak.
Oh, I got mine the wrong way. How do you do it? I'm trying to like copy your homework, bro.
Two in the bank, one in the steak.
You're in the video keeper?
Yeah.
No, you are, bitch.